nationalism in Europe. Europe in middle of 18th century, nation states does not existed. Today's Germany, Italy and Switzerland were divided into kingdoms, territories, administrative divisions. Absence of collective identity or common culture among people. Habsburg Empire of Austria, Hungary consists of French, German and Italian-speaking people. Common binding among diverse groups was loyalty to emperor. Some important dates: in 1797, Napoleon enters Italy. Napoleonic War begins. In 1814 to 1815, fall of Napoleon, the Vienna Peace Settlement. In 1821, Greek struggle for independence begins. In 1848, revolutions in Europe. Middle classes demand for constitutional governments. Italians, Germans, Magyars, Poles, Czechs, etc. demands for nation states. In 1859 to 1870, unification of Italy. In 1866 to 1871, unification of Germany. In 1905, Slav nationalism gathers force in the Habsburg and Ottoman empires. Aristocracy and new middle class, highest class in certain societies. Aristocracy was land-owning and dominant class. They owned estates and townhouses. The members of these class were connected through marriages. Majority of population were peasants, that is, farmer. Small landowners farmed in West. Servants cultivated in East and Central Europe. In half of 18th century, industrialization began in England. Due to industrialization, new social groups of working class and middle class are formed. Educated and broad-minded people supported nationalism and removal of aristocracy. Liberal, nationalism, liberalism derived from liber means free. So, liberalism is equal to freedom. Liberal nationalism means individual freedom, equality before law. End of autocracy, constitutional government, freedom of markets, removal of statewide, trade restrictions, suffrage, right to vote. In revolutionary France, only property owners had right to vote. Women were not allowed to vote in Napoleonic rule. In 19th and early 20th century, women and non-propertied men demanded equal political rights. Liberalism in economy. There were many trade barriers in 19th century. Napoleon's rule created groups of 39 states, each with different currency, weights and measures. In 1833, merchant travelling from Hamburg to Nuremberg had to pass 11 custom barriers. paying 5% custom duty to each one of them. For crossing each barrier, merchant have to pay some centimeter of cloth to the barrier owners. So to overcome these barriers, Zollverein is formed. Zollverein, Customs Union formed in 1834. Zollverein removed tax duty. Types of currencies reduced from 30 to 2. Development of railways to improve transportation.